Hi, my name is Karam, and today I'd like to introduce our Shopify PC Builder. Our app makes building a custom PC simple and guided. Customers use an intuitive step-by-step builder. The result is a smoother shopping experience. It leads to increased customer confidence, and that means fewer support requests, comp requests, creating quick and confident builds. The app automatically checks compatibility in real time. This ensures perfect compatibility with the rest of the build, and it prevents incompatible combinations, so you can ensure a seamless build every time. If you'd like us to set up this app for free on your Shopify store, check the description for our contact email and get in touch. You can also leave your question, email address, and Shopify store URL in the comments. Our team will review your request, contact you, and help you with the setup or resolve your issue. If you're looking for a complete step-by-step setup tutorial, you'll find the video link in the comment section. You can also click the recommended video on the end screen after this video to watch the full setup guide.